Hello viewers, so I am back with my new video, The Fall of the Western Roman Empire from Grade 5 UAE SST. Here we have the learning objectives to understand the extent of the Roman Empire, to comprehend the cause of the fall of the Roman Empire, and to review the effects of it. We have the rule of the kings in UAE since ancient times. Now we follow in modern times the constitutional monarchy. The CC link history, the detail regarding the fall of the Western Roman Empire, the kings, their rule, and so on. This is the warm up brainstorm question from your textbook, wherein they have asked you to guess the reasons for the downfall of the vast Roman Empire. I have put up some reasons over here, you can go through. Now let's see the lesson. The Roman Empire included the land area and people around the Mediterranean Sea. Its capital was Rome, present day Italy. However, the borders of the empire were far away in the east. You can see over here in the map, which I have put up, where Rome is. So they wanted, Emperor Constantine wanted some central location for the capital of this vast Roman Empire. In 330 CE, Emperor Constantine decided to move the capital of the Roman Empire to a more central location, so he chose the city of Byzantine, present day Istanbul, which is now in Turkey. He changed the name of Byzantium to Constantinople after himself. Constantinople was a trading center located on both the sides of the Bosphorus Strait, connecting the Sea of Marmara with the Black Sea. Now look at the strategic importance of this particular region of Constantinople. Not only the location, but when you see the geography of the region, it was suitable for being a trading center. Part of the city was in Europe and the other part was in Asia. Many ships on the Silk Route in China had to pass through the middle of this city, Constantinople. Now, the split in the Roman Empire. You can see in the map over here the region of Rome, as well as you can see Constantinople. So now you know the location of Constantinople. After the death of Constantine, the empire was divided into east and west with two emperors, one for east and the other one for west. Rome remained the capital of the Western Empire, whereas Constantinople, the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire, which was also called as Byzantine Empire. Hello viewers, so I am back with my new video, The Fall of the Western Roman Empire from Grade 5 UAE SST. The Dark Ages or Migration Period. The fall of Rome and the Western Roman Empire marked the end of the classical period and the start of a period called the Middle Ages in Europe. Little pieces of the empire split off and formed into small kingdoms. Let me tell you, it is the ancient period which we have seen in book 1. This book 2 has a classical period, civilizations dealt with, and then we have the Middle Ages. After the Middle Ages comes the modern age of Europe. These kingdoms were often in conflict with each other. This period is negatively called the Dark Ages. The name Dark Ages refers to a loss of learning and education during this period. Another name given to this period in Europe was the Migration period because people moved away from cities as the services previously organized and maintained by the empire stopped. Here comes the activity. This is activity 1 from your textbook. The answers are written in bold. Please go through. Here we have the causes and the effects of the fall of the Roman Empire. I have enumerated a few. You can go through. Then comes activity 3 from your textbook itself. Please see. Now this is activity 4 wherein they have asked you 3 questions. I have put all the 3 questions in one slide. You can see that. Please go through the textbook for the questions. Then comes activity 5. Again a question from your textbook. I have written about the Indian civilization during the classical period, which was the Gupta Empire. You can see some more civilizations of the classical period in the Google. Now here comes the plenary questions. I have put up some questions over here. I hope you will be able to answer them well. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and if you have really liked the video, then please give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe it if you haven't subscribed as yet. Please press the bell icon for the notification of my latest videos. See you next time with my some other new videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.